started a new 20-day challenge. This challenge will be unique because I'll be drawing mandalas related to the event of the day. For example, the 22nd of March is Ugadi, so I drew a mandala related to Ugadi. So, this is the first day of the challenge. Let's see if I will continue the challenge or leave it. I'll be making engaging mandalas associated with the events of the day. So, stay tuned. Here, I used Camel Artist's watercolor cakes. First of all, I'm painting and then filling with designs. Please like and subscribe to my channel. For more details, visit the description box of this video. From now, I'll be posting amazing mandala tutorials associated to the